Wow, all right, popping style there with Campari. Okay, so pregnancy, guys, no easy feat. Getting pregnant in your teens, a whole other ball game, and it continues post-labor. My guest, no, stepped over that bump in the road to achieve her dreams and her goals. Imani Campbell is with me, recent graduate of the University of West Indies with a what in what, please? Tell me about your degree.
I got a bachelor's in nursing.
Fantastic. How do you feel having got your bachelor's in nursing?
Great.
Yeah,
Very good.
yeah. Was it hard? Was it a hard course of study for you?
It was.
Yeah.
Nursing school is hard.
Nursing school is difficult,
It is.
especially with the circumstances that you faced.
Yes.
All right, so let's rewind a little bit and tell folks about how that went. You went to Racies.
Actually, I went to Knox from first form to fifth form. Then I went back home to do sixth form, and I did my sixth form at Racies. I was in lower six. Decided that I wasn't going to do upper six. I wanted to go to nursing school. I didn't need the 2 units. So when I applied, I did the interview, got through and everything. Then I found out I was pregnant, and that's when I started to face all the obstacles that I faced.
So finding out that you're pregnant at how old now? You were how old?
I just turned 18.
18. You figure said proper mash down, done now, everything is all over.
No, I didn't, but
Oh, good.
persons around me, the society, I would say, the backlash, that was what hurt.
How did you cope with that?
Luckily, I had a strong support system. My parents, the father of my child, he was there. My sisters, brothers, they were just all there.
Yeah. And I think, I mean, based on what you've said, I think a good takeaway from this is that you cannot listen to
No,
the people.
because I was told that I was too smart to get pregnant. I was told that I basically, in their words, mash up my life because I got pregnant. So
Instead, you have a blessing of a son who is now
5 years
5
old.
years old. Tell me about your mother. Your mother was also a teenage mom.
Yes, she was. But she got pregnant younger than the age that I got pregnant. She had 2 children before she went to college. She was an educator. So she motivated me. She told me that it's not the end of the world and that I shouldn't give up. I should always push and never stop until I achieve what I want in life.
So you had your son, and then you went to university.
I left him at 9 months old.
You left him at 9 months. That could not have been easy.
No, it wasn't.
Oh, gosh.
And missing almost all his milestones. That was also hard, but I knew that I wanted to give him a good life, and I had to do that through education.
Right. But there were more challenges to come, Imani.
Yes. With the school fee raising, of course, and then finances, and my mother passed in my 3rd year. That was one of my lowest moments in life, lower than when I got pregnant. So that was really hard. But my father, he's very supportive also. He's a very good man. He was there for me. He helped me, and the family, my siblings were also very good.
Yeah.
My friends. So, and I leaned to God. My faith with God got stronger. And I just continued to push.
Yeah.
Because I wanted to finish in the stipulated time. I wanted to come back home to my son.
And so you did the degree for your son, but
Yes.
largely also for your mother.
And myself.
And for yourself.
Yes.
Yeah. So what happens with Imani now?
No, I want to start a foundation for young girls that not necessarily that got pregnant, but also for young girls who don't have support but have potential, and want to further their education or just want to better themselves. I want to help young girls. I want to be a mentor.
Yeah.
And 2 to 3 years, I want to get my master's. I just want to continue bettering myself and help others.
You've got a job now.
Yes, I was supposed to start my new job today.
Yeah, about that. Thank you for lending her to us for the day. She was supposed to start her new job today, but she had this interview and they graciously gave her the day off to be here, so we appreciate that. Thank you very much. Are you excited to step into the world of work?
Yes, I'm excited.
Yeah. What is it about nursing that pulls you?
Nursing, I love to take care of others. I love to help. So actually, when I was growing up, my mother always said she saw me as a nurse. So then with she saying that over and over, then it just, in fourth form, I told my friends, I'm going to do nursing. I think that's my call. And they were like, oh, well, that's your call. We're going to do law and other things. I said, well, I'm going to do nursing.
Yeah.
So I applied, and even when I didn't show up for the indexing, they called me and was like, "Why
What's
didn't you
the
come?"
indexing?
Indexing is when they register you, they
Okay.
put you on a list.
Right. Okay.
So they called me and was like, "Why didn't you show up today for the indexing?" And I was like, "I'm pregnant." And they said, "But we don't stop pregnant people from coming to school." And I was like, "Wow, this is really for me."
Fantastic.
So I said, "Okay, well, I'm coming next year."
Wow. We are proud of you, lady.
Thank
You say
you.
you want to eventually start a foundation for young girls or to work with young girls who have potential, who meet upon obstacles.
Yes.
Until you do that, we are going to give you an opportunity this morning to say what you would want to say. What are some of the things that you would want to say to young women who find themselves in your situation or just
Don't
generally
give
are
up.
having a hard time and want to throw in the towel?
Don't give up. Don't listen to what others say. Always push. Find something that motivates you. You don't have to have a child, but just find something that you want to achieve, that you want to make happy. Somebody you want to make happy. Don't give up.
And that somebody should also be you.
Yes. Make yourself happy.
Yeah.
Try to be a better you every day you get up. Don't give up. Just always push. Obstacles are going to come. A lecturer once told me that, Imani, if you've been through school and haven't faced any obstacles, or been through life and haven't faced any obstacles, you haven't been through life.
That's right.
So I used that and I said, well, that's true. So I'm just going to have to deal with this and keep moving.
Keep moving. Best advice ever. Just keep going. Can we see that picture again of Imani and her little dumpling? Oh, gosh. Hello, dumpling. I don't know your name, and I'm not going to ask Imani to tell us on there.
His name is Kayan.
Okay. Good morning, Kayan. I'm sure you're proud of him. Every time you look at him, you said this was worth it.
It
right?
was.
Yeah. And it's going to power you to even greater things. Hoping you will do the masters, if that's what you really want to do, but wishing you all the best
Thank
as you start your new job and a new phase of life, having achieved what you've
Thank you
achieved.
for having me, and thank you for sharing my story so I could help, so I could motivate other females out there.
Yeah, I think you're going to be telling this story quite a bit. When I meet young women like Imani, I realize that we are not as strong as we know until we have to be. It's only then you really realize what you have the power to overcome. So thank you for sharing. There is strength in your story, and strength in sharing your story. Imani Campbell with her amazing story this morning on Smile. We'll be right back with more in a bit. Stay with us. Soon come back.